Minsan, simple lang talaga ang gusto ng customer. Magpa-print, magpa-layout, or magpagawa ng merch. Pero doon na nagsisimula ang confusion. Anong size ba dapat? Magkano kaya ito? Saan ako makakahanap ng trusted na pin shop? Simple na ideya, minsan nagiging stressful. Dahil sa confusion, natatagalan ng order. Napapagod ang customer at napapagod din ang pin shop. Sa totoo lang, hindi madali ang printing business. Behind every printed product, may tao na susumikap. May print shop na nag-invest sa machines. May designer na naglalaan ng oras. May crafter at courier na natatrabaho with love. That is why Grateful Prints was created. Not to replace anyone and not to compete. We are here to become a bridge. A bridge between customers and trusted print shops. A bridge between ideas and real products. A bridge between people who need help and people who can serve. Pero alam namin may honest questions. Some print shops may ask, ano bang benefit namin dito? Hindi ba ma-jeopardize ang business namin? Valid ang mga tanong na yon. We understand. Every business owner work hard for what they have. Every name was built through time, effort, and trust. Grateful Prints respects that. We are not here to destroy what you built. We are here to help organize opportunities and connect you to the right partners. Dahil mas marami pang nangangailangan ng service ninyo. And to the small print shops, naririnig din namin kayo. Maybe iniisip ninyo, maliit pa kami, hindi pa namin kaya makipagsabayan. We understand that too. Because not every business starts big. Some start with one printer, one laptop, one dream, and one prayer. And that matters. Grateful Prints is also for the growing. Para ito sa mga willing mag-serve, matuto, at maging part ng mas malaking purpose. Hindi ito pabunggahan o palamangan. To the designers, your creativity deserves opportunity. To the crafters, visibility. To the couriers, you are part of the experience. And to every print shop, your work deserves respect. We believe that business should not only be about money. Business should help in developing people. We build the people first, and people build the business. We collaborate, not compete. Imagine a customer getting proper guidance. Isang community kung saan partner ang turingan, hindi lang competitor. That is the vision of Grateful Prints. So if you are a customer, designer, crafter, or pin shop, may lugar ka dito. This is a movement of people helping people. Grateful Prints, ideas made real. Businesses growing together. Download the app or visit our website to get started today. We collaborate, not compete. Salamat!